Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about what happens when an appraisal order is rejected by the AMC operational admin. So before we dive into the video, I would like to define you different scenarios. When an appraisal order is created by the customer, either a lender or a private client, and when it is submitted, not the draft, but the one that is actually submitted, is reviewed by the AMC's operational admin. And once it has been reviewed, they have three actions that they can perform. The first one, they can accept your appraisal order if it looks fine to them. Second, if they find there's something that needs to be changed, so they can request for changes, and we have created a separate PDF for that. And lastly, if they feel that there's something that they don't want to work for this appraisal order, they can reject that appraisal order. So this is the scenario for today's video. So I will guide you through like how you can know about that an appraisal order is rejected. So currently we are logged in as Neil Armstrong, the lender user. So we'll navigate towards the appraisal orders and create a new appraisal order. Once the appraisal order has been created successfully, you can see that the status over here it's submitted, and if we move towards the status updates tab, it says that this is being submitted by this particular user. So now we have to wait for the operational admin to review this appraisal order. So as you can see, there is an order update that says rejected in the notifications, and on the status updates, you can see it's rejected by whatever the name is of the operational admin and what was the reason, so it will be defined over here. Here you can see the status is rejected, and how you are going to get informed about this thing is by the notifications that would be in this app, and over here it says that the order this status changes from submitted to rejected. So this is how you can know about a rejected appraisal order. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.